Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Venu 3. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the top right button for a few seconds until the Garmin logo appears. Next, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Venu 3. This crucial step allows you to sync data, customize settings, and unlock the full potential of your new smartwatch. Navigating your Venu 3 is intuitive. Swipe up or down on the vibrant touchscreen to effortlessly scroll through various glances, like heart rate and notifications. A quick press of the top right button opens your activity list, ready for you to start a workout. The bottom right button provides quick access to customizable shortcuts, while holding the top right button for 2 seconds brings up the controls menu for essential settings. The Venu 3 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights throughout your day and during exercise. You can track your sleep stages, blood oxygen saturation, and body battery energy levels for a holistic view of your well-being. With over 30 preloaded sports apps, from running to yoga, you will find a mode for almost any activity, helping you stay active and reach your goals. Beyond fitness, your Venu 3 keeps you connected. Receive smart notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts directly on your wrist, ensuring you never miss an important update. Enjoy the convenience of contactless payments with Garmin Pay, allowing you to leave your wallet at home. You can also download music from compatible streaming services for phone-free listening and personalize your watch with countless faces and apps from the Connect IQ store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.